Yo. What's happening? Back in here with another one of them things. And this is another Ashton segment, man. About to go do some things for the Honda, dog. Go do some things for the Honda. Still ain't came up with no name yet. Alright, so y'all jump down in the comments and put some name suggestions for the Honda, man. Y'all put some name suggestions for the Honda down there so we can see what it is. Well, so he can see what it is he need to name the Honda.
It's gonna be a definite odd type, you know, God's realm type of name.
He said God's realm. So I don't even know what that is. So there's got to be some type
like
of
ancient Greek type God's name.
I would have thought, me personally being that, you know what I'm saying, you do gaming, I thought it would have been some hentai type, Japanese type.
Whoa. No.
I mean,
I'm a nerd, but I ain't that nerd.
my motorcycle had an Asian name. My motorcycle name was Ty Lee. Was it Japanese? Yeah, it was Japanese. It was a Japanese name, Ty Lee. Yeah, so I mean, I don't put nothing past, you know what I'm saying? None of that. Like, I mean, that's a Japanese car. So, you know, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? This is where I would go. But
You said like
I mean, hentai, ain't that Japanese?
Do you know what hentai means?
Nah, I don't. What hentai mean? School me. I thought it was just some Japanese shit.
Hentai is like Japanese porn.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Japanese porn. It's Japanese though. I'm just saying hentai, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying like name it butt fucks for bucks. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying like Japanese type, you know what I'm saying?
I would do that. I want to get it customized to a certain degree.
Yeah, I mean, that's... Yeah, we ain't worried about that right now. We're here trying to get around. So, we headed to this JDM place, man, here in the city. And they got a transmission, man. You got all your stuff? Cars and all that stuff? Yeah. I figured something was gonna go wrong.
You want to do that?
But yeah, let's get this stuff together and finna head down here, man, grab a transmission real quick, bring it back to the crib. I need to call my dad, man, to see if we gonna bring the car back today. Bring my rolls back today so I can see how that's gonna work. And yeah, that's where we at right now. So I'll hit y'all when we get down here, man. Mike can get a little footage when we get inside, and yeah, let y'all see what they got going on down here, man. Yeah. Full bed route today, man. And picked from Japan. The person was telling me about this place, but we didn't know exactly where it was. So I just happened to be the first one to come. It's locked. Uh-oh. There we go. What's going on, man? I can't, okay. I ain't recording, so let me stop. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull up her out to the side up here, man, let y'all see what we got going on. But yeah, he didn't want no recording on the inside, and you know, I understand, because he was like, you know, some people do do videos for good, and some people don't do videos for good. So I feel him, you know what I'm saying? I can't knock him for that. But yeah. These sensors, all this stuff won't come off. So you got a 60-day warranty. Got a 60-day warranty on it, man. So go ahead and try to get that put in as soon as possible. And yeah, big Aston, big transmission. I don't know what this is. Oh, just a little something rubber. But yeah, man, that place got some stuff, man. That place got Evos, motors for Evos, the Subaru WRXs, like, and I wouldn't mind having a Subaru. I wouldn't mind having that WRX, I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, I think that's one of them all-wheel drive things. And them joints don't play. So yeah, that's where we at, man. We just went and picked up the trans, headed back to the house. I'm supposed to be moving the Chevy today and bringing it back to the house. So I'm gonna wait on my pops on that, man, to see how we gonna do that or whatnot. And yeah, so look like we're gonna get a little footage for the day. I'm gonna go and sit back right now though, chill for a second. Just made him a purchase, man. He getting his thing together, man. He getting his value together. Mm-hmm. So yeah, like I said, man, y'all jump down in the comments. Let us know. Might put some more. I might do a post. I might do a post on it too, man. Jump down here, man. Y'all let them know, man. Y'all give them some name suggestions for that thing, man. Little Japanese girls, hentai girls.
I don't even know what it means, but if some Japanese dude read it out, read it out to me and it say something extremely provocative and weird. No,
that's what I said. Butt fucks for books.
That ain't the name of my car. My car gotta have some type of respect.
Yeah. Or, you know, well, even with that, like you into the samurai stuff though. So yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like it ain't even gotta be no girl. Like when it's Japanese, like it ain't gotta be that. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be a female. Sure. I'm just not.
Yeah. But yeah, man, we headed back to the crib.